Unit 1. Organizations of files. A file is fundamentally a collection of data. This data is stored as a single, cohesive unit. Each file is assigned a file name for identification and access. Different file types exist, such as documents and spreadsheets. Each file type is visually represented by a unique icon. These icons provide a quick visual cue to identify the file type and associated program. A folder, also known as a directory, is a fundamental component of file systems. Its primary function is to act as a container. Folders store related files together, facilitating organized data management. This organizational structure allows users to group files logically. Folders can contain various file types, such as documents, images, and applications. This creates a structured system for accessing and managing information efficiently. A folder can contain other folders, which are known as subfolders. This creates a hierarchical structure within the file system. Subfolders enable more granular organization of files. This facilitates efficient data retrieval and management.